Hi, today I'm going to show you how to remove any background in Photoshop. I have this image of Cristiano Ronaldo and I want to remove the background. In order to do that, we need to use the selection tool, the object selection tool, and select around the object that I want to remove, like this. Amazing. Now I have a selection around the object that I selected. You see here that is not selected perfectly. So in order to fix that, we need to go and use the quick selection tool and adjust the missing parts. Here seems good. Here, for example, remove this. So the only thing that I need is either to click a mask and I have cropped and I have image without background, or simply clicking Command J, and this what I prefer, to have the image with the background and without background. So yes, mainly this is it. Like and follow and see you in my next tutorials.